Okay, we got alternator on the bracket. We got the belts lined up properly this time. We just mounted the rad, and we're going to do the transmission mount next.
Okay.
And one thing I want these guys to do, you have to do a walk around and check your machine.
Yeah.
Check your rad, your oil,
Yeah.
before you start it.
Okay.
Okay, look in here. Doesn't that look pretty nice?
Oh wow, looks brand new.
Just a minute, I'll give you a light.
And I see the belts look all nice and tight and
straight. Straight.
Straight's the big thing. Yeah. Yeah, looks brand new.
All we have to do now is we got to tighten these clamps here, eh?
Okay, well I see you got brand new clamps on a lot of things here too.
Yeah, yeah. And
No sense Mickey Mousing with old parts. A
No.
couple bucks extra here and there, and it looks good.
This is what the transmission looks like in place.
Okay.
We still have to make the mount.
Yeah.
The mount goes across here and the studs go
Yeah.
underneath. That's what holds it.
Okay.
So we're coming along. There's
So-
no shortcuts.
So, was there any extra found work you found here so far, or is it
Every
just
time you make a move, there's something extra.
okay?
New hoses, new
So-
clamps.
But the new hoses that's a good investment.
Yep.
You know, like they don't cost that much, and you can yeah, it's one less thing to worry about. The new belts.
I got one of these ordered.
Yeah.
Didn't have one in stock.
Okay.
You know, a proper hose there.
What about that little vacuum line that was disconnected originally? Is it
That's
back on there?
hooked up right there.
Okay. What about the thermostat?
Thermostat is in.
Underneath there? Yeah.
Thermostat
Okay.
goes under there. New bolts.
Yeah.
And like I was telling the fishermen here, the thermostat tells you towards the rad.
Okay.
And if you can read that, then you put it in properly.
Okay. So how hard was it to get the rad in, or was it just a?
No, nothing, not too bad.
Okay.
New studs on grade
Yeah,
8 bolts
see
on
that?
the motor
Yeah.
mounts.
Grade 8 bolts.
Yeah, grade 8.
So
grade
no, it's grade 8 is a good bolt. So
A. Okay, we're
and
starter is on.
okay, and is the starter? Is there any way to test it right now, or?
Yeah, I can test it, but we have to put oil and antifreeze in
Oh,
first.
okay. So yeah, so no point doing that until.
No.
Okay, so there you go. Lots of progress here on the blue 1966 wide gauge, and probably a couple more days and then start putting everything else back on. And don't forget to like and subscribe and tell us if you want to see anything different.